the Winchester Mystery House. Even the name sends shivers down your spine. Imagine a sprawling mansion, shrouded in mist and mystery. A place where shadows dance and every corner whispers of secrets long forgotten. This is the legacy of Sarah Winchester, a woman haunted by tragedy and driven by fear. Sarah Winchester was the heiress to the Winchester rifle fortune. Life dealt her a cruel hand. She lost her baby daughter to illness. Then, tragedy struck again, when her husband, William Winchester, died of tuberculosis. Lost and heartbroken, Sarah sought solace in the world of the supernatural. She consulted a medium, who delivered chilling news. The Winchester family, the medium claimed, was cursed by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles. To appease the spirits, Sarah had to build a house that would never be finished. Driven by the medium's warning, Sarah Winchester began construction on her sprawling mansion in 1884. For 38 years the work continued, day and night, driven by Sarah's obsession to appease the spirits. The result was a bizarre and chaotic labyrinth of rooms, hallways, and staircases. There are doors that open to brick walls, staircases that lead to the ceiling, and windows overlooking other rooms. The house is a physical manifestation of Sarah's tormented mind, a monument to her fear and desperation. The Winchester Mystery House is more than just an architectural oddity. It is a place where the veil between our world and the next seems thin. For years, visitors and employees have reported strange and unsettling occurrences within its walls. Footsteps echo in empty hallways, doors slam shut on their own, and disembodied voices whisper from the shadows. Is it the wind playing tricks, or is it something more sinister? Deep within the Winchester Mystery House lies a room shrouded in mystery, the Seance Room. This room, cloaked in shadows and filled with an air of the unknown, has been the subject of countless tales and legends. The very walls seem to whisper secrets of the past, and the atmosphere is thick with the weight of history. It is said that Sarah Winchester would come to this room every night, seeking guidance from the spirits. She believed that the souls of those killed by the Winchester rifle were restless and sought to communicate with her. Sarah, dressed in her mourning attire, would light a single candle and sit in the center of the room, surrounded by spiritual objects and symbols. She would then attempt to make contact with the other side, hoping to find solace and direction. The room has a single entrance and 3 exits designed to confuse any malevolent spirits that might try to follow her. This peculiar design was a testament to Sarah's deep-seated fear of the spirits she believed were haunting her. The doors, leading to various parts of the house, created a labyrinthine effect, making it difficult for any entity to track her movements. This intricate layout was just one of the many ways Sarah tried to protect herself from the supernatural forces she felt were always near. Today, the Seance Room is one of the most popular destinations for visitors to the house. Tourists from all over the world come to experience the eerie ambiance and to catch a glimpse of the room where Sarah Winchester once sought answers from beyond the grave. The room has been preserved to maintain its original appearance, allowing visitors to step back in time and feel the same chilling atmosphere that Sarah once did. Many claim to feel a strange energy in the room, a sense of unease or even fear. Some visitors report feeling a sudden drop in temperature, while others describe an overwhelming feeling of being watched. The air seems to grow heavier, and the silence is often punctuated by unexplained sounds. These experiences have led many to believe that the spirits Sarah Winchester once communicated with still linger in the room, their presence palpable to those who are sensitive to the supernatural. Some have even reported seeing Sarah Winchester's apparition here, her face pale and her eyes filled with sadness. Witnesses describe her ghostly figure as being dressed in the same mourning clothes she wore during her seances, her expression one of deep sorrow and longing. These sightings add to the room's mystique, making it a focal point for paranormal enthusiasts and ghost hunters. Whether one believes in the supernatural or not, the Seance Room continues to captivate and intrigue, its secrets waiting to be uncovered by those brave enough to enter. Section 6. Sightings and Sounds. Over the years, countless visitors and staff members have reported experiencing strange phenomena within the house. Some have seen shadowy figures lurking in the hallways, while others have heard voices calling their names. One of the most commonly cited apparitions is a young man in workman's clothes, believed to be the ghost of one of the carpenters who helped build the house. Another is a woman in a white dress, often seen on the grand staircase. Section 7. A Legacy of Mystery. After Sarah Winchester's death in 1922, the house was left to her niece. It was eventually sold and opened to the public as a tourist attraction. Today, the Winchester Mystery House stands as a testament to one woman's unwavering belief in the supernatural. It's a place where visitors can step back in time and experience the chilling mystery of Sarah Winchester's world. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, there's no denying the eerie allure of this architectural marvel. Section 8. Visiting the Winchester Mystery House. Located in San Jose, California, the Winchester Mystery House is open to the public for tours. This sprawling Victorian mansion, once the personal residence of Sarah Winchester, the widow of firearm magnate William Wirt Winchester, is renowned for its size, architectural curiosities, and lack of any master building plan. You can explore the mansion's twisting hallways, which seem to go on forever, leading to nowhere or looping back on themselves. These hallways are a maze of mystery, designed to confuse and intrigue. Marvel at its bizarre architecture, including staircases that lead to ceilings, doors that open into walls, and windows that overlook other rooms. Each element of the house is a testament to Sarah Winchester's eccentric vision and the legends that surround her, and perhaps even experience some paranormal activity for yourself. The house is reputed to be haunted by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles, and many visitors have reported strange occurrences, from ghostly apparitions to unexplained sounds. Guided tours are available, offering insights into the house's history, the life of Sarah Winchester, and the many myths and legends that have grown up around this enigmatic place. Knowledgeable guides share fascinating stories and historical facts that bring the house to life. You'll learn about the strange occurrences that have been reported over the years, from mysterious footsteps to cold spots, and even sightings of Sarah Winchester herself. The house's history is as rich and complex as its architecture. Whether you're a believer in the supernatural or a skeptic, the Winchester Mystery House offers something for everyone. The eerie atmosphere and the stories of hauntings are sure to send a chill down your spine. Or perhaps you're simply a fan of the unusual and the unique. The house's oddities and architectural marvels are a delight for anyone with a curiosity for the strange and the unexplained. A visit to the Winchester Mystery House is an unforgettable experience. Whether you're there for the history, the architecture, or the ghost stories, you'll leave with a sense of wonder and perhaps a few goosebumps. It's a place where the past and the paranormal come together in a fascinating blend of mystery and intrigue. Section 9. An Enduring Enigma. The Winchester Mystery House remains one of the most haunted places in America. This sprawling mansion, located in San Jose, California, is not just a house but a labyrinth of architectural oddities and mysterious rooms. Built by Sarah Winchester, the widow of the firearm magnate William Wirt Winchester, the house has become a symbol of both tragedy and intrigue. Its bizarre design, tragic history, and countless reports of paranormal activity continue to fascinate and frighten visitors from around the world. The house boasts over 160 rooms, including 40 bedrooms, 2 ballrooms, and 47 fireplaces. Staircases that lead to nowhere, doors that open into walls, and windows that overlook other rooms are just a few of the peculiar features that make this house a true enigma. Was Sarah Winchester truly haunted by the spirits of those killed by Winchester rifles? According to legend, she believed that she was cursed by the spirits of those who had fallen victim to the rifles her husband's company produced. To appease these restless souls, she supposedly built the house in a continuous state of construction, never ceasing until her death in 1922. Or was she simply a grieving widow seeking solace in the unknown? Some historians argue that Sarah was a woman of her time, deeply affected by the loss of her infant daughter and her husband. The constant construction may have been a way for her to cope with her grief and loneliness, rather than a response to supernatural forces. Whatever the truth may be, the Winchester Mystery House stands as a monument to the enduring power of mystery and the human fascination with the afterlife. Today, it is a popular tourist attraction, drawing thousands of visitors each year who come to explore its winding corridors and hear tales of its ghostly inhabitants. The house continues to inspire books, movies, and countless theories, each adding to its mystique. Whether you believe in ghosts or not, the Winchester Mystery House remains an enduring enigma, a testament to the complexities of human emotion and the mysteries that lie beyond our understanding.